everyone, how are you today? I just wanted to hop on real quick and give a quick announcement, exciting news with Stampin' Up. So I'm just going to wait to see if anyone hops on. Okay, let me see if I can get this device going over here. Okay, so if you haven't heard, Stampin' Up is offering a special on the already special starter kit. It goes from November 4th to the end of the month, November 30th, and you can purchase the starter kit for $75. It's normally $99, but it's $75 for this month, and it includes $125 worth of product from any of the current catalogs and clearance rack. Current catalogs are the mini catalog and the annual catalog. So it's $75, free shipping. You get a free paper pumpkin in the kit, and you get a 20% savings once you order the starter kit, and you can just use it for yourself, or you can sell product and you can make 20% off of all your sales. Not to mention you'll be part of an awesome team. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to point you down to my work surface, and I'm going to give you an example of what you can get for your $125 worth of product for just $75. Keep in mind, you can pick anything you want, but this is just an example. So if you don't already have the Stampin' Up paper trimmer, I would highly recommend purchasing this. This is an incredible paper trimmer. I have had several over my crafting years, and I've been crafting for probably 25 years. This is by far the best one I've ever used. Even the older Stampin' Up paper trimmer that Stampin' Up used to have, I didn't really care for it. This one I absolutely love. It has the cutting blade, it has a scoring blade, it's to 1/16 of an inch measurements, so you can measure in 1/16. You can cut up to 1.5 inches to the one side of the ruler, and then it also has the extension ruler that goes up to 17 inches. And then it also has this awesome hole here that you can hook, hang it on a hook or a pegboard hook, depending on how you have your craft room or your supplies stored. So that is one of the items. And again, I'm just going through a sample $125 kit. The next thing I would highly recommend is a pair of snips. They are $10. You will love them. Again, one of my favorite purchases from Stampin' Up. You'll then need some sort of ink pad. I recommend the Memento Tuxedo Black ink pad if you don't have any inks, because black is probably the most versatile. I would also recommend a package of dimensionals. I would also buy adhesive. I don't have one real handy. I would highly recommend the Stampin' Plus adhesive. It is Stampin' Seal Plus. It is one of the best adhesives out there. The other thing, for a stamp set and a die, I would recommend the frosted gingerbread and the matching dies that go with it, and this is a bundle. This is a great bundle, especially for this time of year. You can get your Christmas cards made. Along with that, I'm going to move this off to the side for a minute. You can get the Memories and More packet, along with the Memories and More cards and envelopes, and the Designer Series paper. And that would coordinate with your set. And then along with that, I would get a red ink pad, real red, and the red rhinestones. Now you can either get the red rhinestones or the Stampin' Seal adhesive. Either one of those. If you get one of them, you're going to be $8 over. So you would get all of this, and this is just an example again, for your $125 worth for your kit. And you would get it for $75, free shipping, a free paper pumpkin kit, and that is through the end of the month. So if this is something you would like to look into, I would be more than happy to discuss it with you. Let me point you back up at me. I'd be more than happy to talk to you about it. If this isn't something that you like, like the paper and the Memories and More and the stamp set, we can definitely swap something out and make it exactly what you like. If you like more of the traditional Christmas and not so cutesy, we can do that. Or if you like snowflakes, or if you don't want Christmas, if you want something else, if you want the fall, autumn sets, there's beautiful autumn sets. But this is an incredible deal, and it already is incredible. Hi, Nancy. At the $99 value. But this is $75. You get $125 worth of product, and you can choose it out of either of the catalogs, one or the other or both. You can mix and match. And free paper pumpkin, 20% off of any future purchases. You would make 20% on any sales that you get, if that's what you want to do, if you want to make it a little business. And you'll be a part of a wonderful team. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'd love to help you, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.